Hi, everybody. Today is baby day. It's January 13th. Listen, I just wanted to take you in and talk a little bit more about these PDFs. Your assignment today or your objective today, remember, is that you are researching your element. If you cannot remember your element, I have the list that I wrote down. It's on my desk, and so you can ask just for clarification, but hopefully you guys remember what you've got. After researching your element, then you can understand its unique physical and chemical properties. And then ultimately, you're going to use that to help personify your superhero. Okay? So let's take a look first of all with this second PDF. It's the helpful research links. And I showed this to you guys really quickly yesterday, but I want to go into a little bit more detail. So as you're looking at this, it's a PDF. You're not going to be able to click it and go immediately follow a link to this. You'll probably have to copy and paste. I want you to scroll down to number 6 and see where I left a little note here saying start here. I want you to go to Dexter's first because this is probably the easiest one, excuse me, that you are going to find your information. Okay, just the general information. This is a good one-stop shop. So I've got it already pulled up, and I want to show you what you're going to do. So Dexters.com is just the home site, but go here to your search, the search bar in Dexters, and I'm going to just type in boron. You would type in the name of your element, and then you hit enter. And then it just brings up what you've got, right? So be very careful that the one that they bring up first that you're going to click on is actually your element. If they don't have anything, a lot of information on your element, it won't be the first one. So don't just assume it's the first one and pull it up. So this is Chemistry for Kids. The element is boron, so I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And then here is all that information that I told you guys on that physical property worksheet. It talks about the atomic number, the atomic weight, or atomic mass are the same things. The phase, its melting point, boiling point, who it was discovered by, and when. And then there's just all kinds of information that I want you to read through, pull out that information, write some things down on your worksheet. Okay, the second one that I want to show you, I'm going to start all the way back at the top, and let's look at that periodictable.com one. The periodictable.com is this. It's like my book, but this one I found was not as easy to get information from as the book, but I wanted to have you guys take a look at it just in case what I was looking at wasn't what you would see. Let's just see what's on there. Again, it's got all the information that you probably got from Dexter's, but it may have just a couple more examples of where you can find boron in the natural world, like this down here, and then just like common uses for it or different compounds that you can find boron in. All right, I'm going to get rid of Dexter's. So then that's the periodic table. The periodic videos is another one that I really want you guys to go in. Now this one, you're going to laugh, but the videos, the University of Nottingham, which is in Britain, in the United Kingdom, created these videos. I do not know the year, but I'm going to tell you, let me kind of just scroll through because you got to see this guy. This guy right here, oh my gosh, he's hilarious. Look at his hair. Like this guy is a scientist. I don't know. He's just very quirky, but he's funny. He's good. But they do experiments with the element. They show you, like if it burns, what color it burns as. It's got, they talk about different histories, different uses of it. Like lots of just different interesting anecdotes or stories about it. Please make sure that you check this out. It's really good. All right. And then I don't know about, don't get sidetracked because I did. I got on this periodicvideos.com. And of course, the first thing I saw here was the nuclear chicken. Try and stay focused and just work on your element because there's so much in here that's just fun to look at. It's just great. Okay, so that one's there. I'm going to get rid of this one. And then the next one that I had pulled up was number 3. So periodic lanl.gov, and that's this one here. So this is Los Alamos National Laboratory, and they created this website. Again, it's one that is just a really simple one. Let me go back where I was before. When you click on this website to begin with, this is what you'll see. So just go straight to your element, click on that, and it's going to pull up that information again. In addition to the information that's in this box, which you probably already got from a different website, but there's also, they've got pictures here. Don't forget to look at the captions of the pictures, because that gives you a clue about colors. They've got some history. Some sources would be the areas where you can find it in nature, different properties, uses, and then maybe some ideas about handling. This is kind of cool because this would be an interesting kind of way to connect it to your superhero. Like some of the more exotic boron hydrogen compounds. So boron will react with hydrogen and make a compound. They are definitely toxic and they do require care. So I think that's kind of, I could definitely use that in a superhero or a supervillain. Lots of these websites, you guys. I've got 8 of them. That's why, another reason why I've given you 2 days to work on this, because I really want you to just get out there and explore it. There's lots of really great websites. Start with those 4. Remember, please start with number 6 first. You're going to get a lot more information from Ducksters. A lot of the really simple information. It's written for your grade level. And so it'll be hopefully in words that are easier for you to understand, and then go ahead and move on to the other ones. Okay. The other PDF that's in this website, or that's in today's folder, is your Element Research Data worksheet. So remember, I want you to fill in everything in this box. You can leave off the part on the lower left about the superhero or villain and what your comic character's name is. If you don't know yet, don't worry about filling that in. That might be something you bring in later. And remember, I just want you to work in the white space today. So find the physical properties of the element, and then identify the chemical properties of the element, and then any other relevant information. There is no way you're going to get all of this done in 47 minutes. No homework. We'll finish up on Tuesday, okay? All right, you guys take care, and I'll see you on Tuesday.